Can you actually lose weight by eating only food from a gas station? Most people think gas stations are just for grabbing candy, chips, and a whole lot of regret. But today, I'm putting my own body on the line for DietVibe US as we dive into this brand new explainer. For the next 24 hours, I am consuming absolutely nothing but high-protein finds grabbed right from behind those glowing glass stores. The ultimate question here, will I actually hit my macros, or will I just end up feeling terrible? Well, let's find out.
So the rules for this are pretty strict. No meal prep, no kitchen, just me versus the convenience store. Every single choice has to be high protein and, crucially, keep me in a weight loss calorie deficit.
Section 1. Breakfast, the hunt begins. Okay, let's dive into this. It's 8 a.m., the sun is barely up, and our first meal hunt officially starts.
Now, usually, my morning routine means fresh eggs and oats. But here, my options are pretty limited. I managed to find these hard-boiled eggs in plastic packaging. It's super convenient, sure, but honestly, a little depressing to look at. I paired that with a zero-sugar Greek yogurt I dug out of the back cooler, plus just a standard black coffee.
Let's check the scorecard for Meal 1. We're looking at 280 calories and 25 grams of protein. The verdict? Actually, it's not bad at all. It structurally mimics a real healthy breakfast. It just happens to be wrapped in a whole lot of plastic.
Section 2, Midday Check-In and the Science.
Now you might be wondering, why am I even doing this? Well, because convenience is usually the absolute enemy of weight loss. But the biggest challenge out here on the road isn't actually finding the protein, it's the sodium. Gas station food is literally loaded with salt as a cheap preservative, and that makes your body aggressively hold on to water weight.
So, what's our strategy to combat that? Simple. I am chugging a full gallon of water today. That's absolutely crucial to balance out the high sodium levels and fight off that artificial water weight gain so we don't ruin our progress.
Moving on to Section 3, Lunch, the muscle meal.
All right, lunchtime. I am actively skipping past the spinning hot dogs and those greasy pizza slices. Instead, I grabbed a prepackaged turkey and cheese sandwich. But here is a pro tip for you. Ditch the top bun. Seriously, it saves you from eating a bunch of empty carbs. I'm pairing that half sandwich with a bag of Quest chips. Getting 20 grams of protein in a single bag of chips, that is an absolute win in my book.
Let's review those lunch macros. We clocked in at 350 calories and a massive 40 grams of protein. And you know what? Surprisingly, I'm actually feeling pretty full from this.
Section 4. The afternoon slump, aka the struggle.
It's about 4 p.m. right now, and man, the fake food is really starting to hit me. I feel quite a bit bloated from all those preservatives, and my energy is definitely dipping. I urgently needed a snack, so I grabbed a muscle milk from the fridge and a small pack of almonds just to push through this slump.
But hey, there's a secondary, highly painful aspect of this whole experiment: the cost. Listen, if you're doing this to lose weight, your wallet might lose weight too. Gas station protein is outrageous. It is easily twice the price of what you'd pay at a regular grocery store.
Section 5. Dinner, the final boss. We headed to a different gas station tonight, just for some variety. Here we are, the final meal of the day. I decided to go for what I'm calling the gas station charcuterie. Now, what's really interesting about this is how you can hack it together. I found some old-fashioned beef jerky, always look for the kind with less sugar, by the way, grabbed a string cheese, and, surprisingly, a little cup of fruit right near the register. Let's look at those dinner stats. 400 calories and 35 grams of protein. That successfully wraps up our entire day's eating, and it perfectly fits within our calorie budget.
Section 6. The 24-hour results. The 24 hours are officially up, so let's step on the scale and reflect on this.
Honestly, I hit 150 grams of protein today so easily. The convenience store is literally packed with protein if you just know where to look. But do I actually feel healthy? Yeah, that's a completely different story. The bloating and the sheer lack of fresh, whole foods definitely leave you feeling a bit sluggish.
But what was the final result on the scale? Believe it or not, I actually woke up half a pound lighter this morning. Now, objectively speaking, that's highly likely just a fluke of daily water weight fluctuation. But psychologically, come on, it's a really fun, minor victory for sure.
So, what's the real takeaway here for you guys? You can make healthy-ish choices literally anywhere. If you're ever stuck at a gas station on a road trip, just look for the eggs, the lean jerky, and the clear shakes. Skip those fake protein cookies that are actually just 400-calorie sugar bombs in disguise, and remember to hydrate heavily to fight off that crazy high sodium.
Which leaves us with one final very important thought.
We survived the gas station, but what on earth is next? Should we try the fast food challenge? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to DietVibe US for more terrible dietary ideas that actually somehow work. See you in the next explainer.